get away from the craziness of day-to-day life. My name's Lizette Marie Brookstein. Design studio is called Lizette Marie Interior Design, and we're here today at the 47th annual San Francisco Decorator Showcase. We were lucky enough to get the primary bathroom. Our work is all about our clients, and we specialize in creating bespoke spaces that represent them and the energy and the feeling that they want to bring in. And so this space was fun because there wasn't a client, so I got to design a space that I would want to spend time in. So for me, it's a retreat. It's a space to come in and feel relaxed and inspired and, get away from the craziness of day-to-day life. The stone, the tile, the millwork, everything brings that together in this space, I think, quite well. Growing up and experiencing luxury interiors from a young age has really shaped the way that I go about spaces. Luxurious, sumptuous materials, and I'm a huge fan of natural stone, and I love to incorporate it wherever possible. And so we had awesome sponsors like Vinci and Dulcet and access to beautiful materials, and so it was sort of a no-brainer. We pulled this off in about 8 weeks or so. It was kind of surreal. And I think the biggest challenge in any showcase house is having all the trades working together at the exact same time. Work with our teams on top of each other in here and a million other teams throughout the house. The showcase house built a staircase, which obviously was challenging in terms of access to the space itself, but a much needed improvement for the house. We had to relocate the water closet, but honestly, I think that was a welcomed improvement. The design is actually very much what I initially envisioned.
What is most you in this design, Lizette Marie?
Oh, that's a tough question. I would have to say it's the attention to detail. So whether it's the intricate pattern on the stone and the floor or the intricate pattern in the millwork paneling, it's all about the detail. I would like people to really feel that this is an escape and that they can come into this space and feel like they're transported and the world is their oyster, and whatever they need, whether it's a break from a party, a moment of inspiration, whatever it is that you need, you can get it here.